G'day guys, welcome to Photography Rides. Today we're going to test ride this YZF-R3. It's one of the best beginner bikes I've ever rode. This little 321cc liquid cooled 4-stroke parallel twin has a 6-speed transmission and it's got 41 horsepower and a 14-litre fuel tank. It's quite a light bike. It's 165 kilos fully fueled. It has a nice slick sports bike look of it. This 2016 special edition is in the same colours of the 2015 MotoGP World Championship. Movie star. It's only a learner's bike, but yeah, she's pretty enough to turn some heads. So let's have a look at the dash. There's your ABS, your fuel and temperature gauge, speedo, gear selection, indicator, neutral gear, indicators left and right are the same. Your high beams. Go on until you start the bike. High beams on, off. Give it a bit of a rev. Sounds like your regular twin cylinder beginner bike. It certainly is a very good looking bike. Yeah, 2015 MotoGP World Championship. Okay, enough of that. Let's jump on and go for a ride and see how it goes. Okay, 0 to 100. Not bad at all. Considering it's only a 300 and it's dragging my fat ass down the road. It's a very comfortable bike and you're sitting upright so you're not hunched over. The mirrors are pretty good, you get a good look behind you. All in all, it reminds me of the Kawasaki Ninja 300. They are very, very similar in manoeuvrability and in speed. To me, the R3 feels better and the engine's a lot smoother than the CBR 300. And it's even more comfortable than the KTM 390 as well. I've never had the chance to ride the Ninja 400, but as I said, the R3 is very, very similar to the Ninja 300. I like that. I might be a bit biased in that because the Ninja 300 was my very first bike. I really like these graphics on this special edition. It's really good. Let's see if I can find some windy corners somewhere. Wonder where this road goes to. Oh, pothole there. Looks like we're coming into some residential area now here. Let's do some movie magic and get back onto the highway. Yeah, the R3's awesome little bike. It's excellent on fuel economy. You get something like 25 kilometers per litre. So what's that? 14 litre, 14 times 25, 350 kilometers per tank. the R3's fast enough and manoeuvrable enough that you can have lots of fun on. Whether you're new to riding or you've been riding for a while. And it's also a very forgiving bike for those beginners out there that like to take a handful of acceleration. So you won't have to worry about speeding out of control. Okay guys, well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment on what your favourite beginner bike is, or was, or even whatever bike you're riding now. And remember, it doesn't matter where you ride or what you're riding, just as long as you get out there. Have a great day, stay safe.